Welcome, beautiful souls, to BodyMaitre Podcast, a space where we explore healing, self-discovery, and the deeper wisdom of our four bodies, the spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical. Each week, we dive into how hidden elements within these four bodies shape our experiences, our relationships, our health, and even what we attract in life. In today's episode, we'll take a closer look at one of the elements you might often find when using your BodyMaitre Four Bodies Dowsing Chart, something that silently influences your law of attraction practice. Today, we're talking about old karmic patterns, traumas, and unresolved relationships, and how they can create energetic loops that keep us stuck in the same attraction cycles over and over again. So, what exactly are old karmic patterns? You can think of them as energetic memories, unresolved experiences or lessons from this life, or even from past lifetimes, that continue to replay like an old movie. They often carry emotional imprints such as guilt, regret, betrayal, or fear. When these energies remain unhealed, they form what we call energetic loops, repetitive cycles where similar people, events, or outcomes keep showing up, no matter how much you try to move forward. For example, have you ever noticed attracting the same type of partner even though you promised yourself never again? Or perhaps you keep facing the same financial setbacks despite all your positive affirmations and visualizations? That's an energetic loop in action. It's like your four bodies, your mind, emotions, spirit, and even your physical habits are carrying an old frequency that magnetically pulls the same experiences back to you. Now, how does this connect with the law of attraction? Well, the universe responds to vibration, not just thoughts or words. When old karmic imprints are vibrating within you, you unconsciously send out signals that match your unresolved energy. So instead of attracting your highest desires, you might attract what still needs healing. When these karmic or energetic loops are active, they influence every layer of your being. Mentally, you might find yourself stuck in repetitive thoughts, self-doubt, blame, or stories like, "This always happens to me." Emotionally, you might feel drained, reactive, or easily triggered by familiar situations. Physically, it can manifest as tension, fatigue, or chronic patterns your body keeps expressing. And spiritually, you may feel disconnected from your intuition or higher guidance, as if something invisible keeps pulling you backward. Many people struggle here, not because they're doing the law of attraction wrong, but because their inner vibration is still echoing an old, unresolved past. Until that energy is acknowledged and cleared, the same cycles continue to manifest. So let's pause for a moment. Take a deep breath with me. Now gently reflect. Have you noticed certain situations that keep repeating in your life, despite your efforts to change? What might these patterns be trying to show you about what still needs healing within your four bodies? Here are a few awareness questions you might want to journal about later. What emotion or belief seems to repeat itself in different situations? Who or what still triggers a strong emotional charge in me? Am I ready to forgive, release, and transform this old energy? Remember, awareness is the first step to liberation. In BodyMaitre, we use the Four Bodies Dowsing Charts to identify these underlying blocks, with the guidance of your angels and higher self. Once these root causes are revealed, you can begin the clearing and transformation process, healing the energetic imprints within your spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical bodies. As you clear and harmonize these layers, the karmic loops begin to dissolve. Your vibration rises, and suddenly the law of attraction flows naturally, without force, without struggle, because now your energy is no longer repeating the past. It's creating the future you truly desire. Thank you for joining me today on BodyMaitre Podcast. May you continue exploring your four bodies with love, awareness, and the courage to release what no longer serves your path. Until next time, keep shining, keep aligning, and keep creating your life with conscious energy.